Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to create a video post for a discussion in Canvas. In this type of video you're not going to be able to share your screen, but you will be able to post a reply, a video reply for a discussion or for an assignment submission. So we're going to begin by clicking into the assignment tab, and in the discussion of course is the reply button. You're going to come over here in the top right and you're going to click on this little button, looks like a play button with musical notes. And then you're going to click upload/record media. This is the same link that you'll use if you have pre-recorded a video outside of Canvas and you want to upload it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to record a video within Canvas. So you simply hit record. Your webcam should open up. Hello. And make sure that your webcam's on. If you can see yourself, you'll know that it is on. And if you see this blue box moving there, when you're speaking, you'll know that your mic is working. Simply hit start record. Wait for the countdown. Hola, begin your video. Record your video. Once you're finished, you're going to hit finish. And you can play back your video to see if you like it. If you are not happy with the video that you recorded, you can start over and record it as many times as you like. Once you are happy, you're going to click Save Media. You can give it a title or not give it a title. It's really up to you, your choice. But if you're going to go ahead and save media, that is going to post the video directly into your reply. And you're ready to go. You do not have to type anything typically in a reply along with the video unless the instructions indicate that within the discussion post. So once you're completed with your discussion and you see that your video is there, you're just simply going to hit post reply. And there it is for all your classmates to see. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.